Raising gas is started. We have Pure Joy. Break weekly start. Moving up on the outside. Kashmira. Midnight Meet. Queen Maker comes next. Then followed over by Crystal Stride. While Star Quality is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn. We have Kashmira by our length and a half. Moving up on the outside. Midnight Meet. Pure Joy is racing in third. 5 lengths further back in fourth comes Queen Maker. Moving up on the outside is Star Quality. Down on the inside is Crystal Stride. Back to the leader we have Kashmira by the neck. Moving up on the outside now is Midnight Meet. Pure Joy still in third. Queen Maker is down in fourth. Then followed by Star Quality. While Crystal Stride is still racing in less. And at the fourth turn the lead now belongs to Midnight Meet by about 4 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Pure Joy. Kashmira fading out, dropping back in third. Then here comes Star Quality. Now coming closer in for us. They swing for home. Midnight Meet by about 3 lengths. And in second is Pure Joy. Moving up for the inside. Now is Star Quality. Last 75 meters we have Midnight Meet now racing away over Pure Joy in second, and finally Midnight Meet, Pure Joy. Third, Star Quality, Kashmira, Crystal Stride, and Queen Maker.
413, yung 4A, actually ang ating